Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be changing the color of my hair because I am bored of black. Currently my hair's in some dookie braids, so let's get into this. Okay, cool. So I've taken my hair out of the braids and now I'm just gonna apply the color. So my chosen color is purple and I'm very excited. It took forever to come. I ordered this like a month ago and it just came. Obviously we're in quarantine and stuff, so I understand why. Let me just tell you a short story about this. So I'm the type of person that if I watch loads of videos, I'll just be like, oh my gosh, I can do this. Even if I can't, I can do this. And then I try. So I've been seeing so knotless braids videos and loads of other videos. So I was like, I can do this. So I did it. I'm gonna insert a picture. Not great, but I did it on myself. So I did that literally 3 days ago. This came, took it out straight away. I said, no, my hair's got to be purple now. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna try and talk to you guys and also do this. I've got stuff to talk about today, alright? I've got stuff to get off my freaking mind. Idiot, I don't have gloves. Okay guys, hold on. Okay, so I've got my gloves. I'm now back in breath. And my hair is clean, but like I said, I took it out of braids yesterday and I don't feel like washing it again because I literally did a wash day like 2 days ago. Yeah, so let's hop into this and stop talking too much. So I think for me, my natural hair journey has been quite a crazy one. Okay, here we go. It's been quite a crazy one. Oh my god, I'm doing this, I'm just talking. Okay, cool. Anyway, so like I was saying, for me, my natural hair journey has been quite a crazy one because I kind of always hated my hair. It just used to annoy me, and I feel like, when I was young, my hair basically used to be relaxed. It was relaxed from when I was like, I think it was like around 3 or 4, something ridiculously young like that. And up until my first year of uni, that's when I like cut my hair. And throughout secondary school, like it first started because my hair didn't really used to grow, and that was part of the reason I hated it as well. And I think, oh, so it's going back to its natural, like it's making it wet, so I'm gonna plait it afterwards so that it doesn't completely shrink up and I can actually do some styles. But yeah, so at first I used to think that black girls' hair just doesn't grow, like maybe it's just not in black jeans, absolute pants. I started seeing girls with the longest hair, and then I settled on the fact that, okay, cool, it's just my hair just doesn't grow. And I just want to like dispel that before I even go any further, because I just feel like my natural girls, look, your hair definitely does grow. Everyone's hair, or most people's hair grow, like that's kind of the norm-ish kind of thing. I think if your hair's not growing, it's probably just that you haven't found the correct conditions that your hair needs for it to grow, and you might have not been exposed to it, you might just not be doing it. There might just be something really small in your routine that you need to change for your hair to grow. So like I found that my hair loves protective styling, like that's when it grows. Having it out doesn't help it. It's just not what she likes, not what she wants to see, not what she's interested in. She wants to be in a protective style. Yeah, okay, wow, cool. I'm gonna plait this up now. I didn't think black girls' hair grew, and then I didn't think my own hair grew. So I just really hated my hair. I didn't ever want it out. Then I was just like, I don't want this. I don't want this struggle. I'm not interested in this. So when I cut my hair, I obviously went from relaxed to natural. And basically, like I just said, I kept seeing like loads of stuff on like Instagram and like YouTube of like people who had cut their hair, and I was just seeing this, the curls were beautiful, and but the thing is, I only saw one texture of curls, and they were like the 4A type of texture, and I just kept on seeing that. That was all I saw. So I thought, if I cut my hair, obviously this is what my hair is gonna look like. I cut my hair, and let me tell you, ladies and gents, I was shooketh, because my hair did not turn out like this 4A texture that you're seeing. But yeah, that's just not what my hair looked like. So if I like had to describe my hair, I would say around the edges, as you can probably see from this, it's like a 4A 4B kind of texture, and then in the middle it's 4C to the core. There's nothing about her that's not 4C. Yeah, so, and I feel like that kind of leads into what I wanted to talk about today, which is like my biggest pet peeve with the natural hair community. I feel like it took a really long time for natural hair to be accepted. It then took an even longer time for 4C hair to be like promoted and accepted. And I feel like even though now 4C hair is starting to be celebrated, it's only very much celebrated when your hair is super long. That's when you'll hear people saying, oh my god, her hair is goals, her hair is so nice. Like, and it's like, even on these pages that are dedicated to like celebrating 4C hair, it's like you only see a certain type of length. And may I add, some of these Instagram pages don't actually show 4C hair. They'll be like 4C kinky curls, and they'll be showing me 4A 3B texture, and I'm just thinking, my good sis, please, you know, actually do what you said you're gonna do. Yeah, but my question is, and I feel like the obsession has now, we're now seeing like a big obsession with length, and I'm just really confused as to why. Because like, I hear a lot of people saying like, oh, if you've gone natural but you're always wearing wigs like throughout the year, then you've been brainwashed to think certain like Eurocentric beauty standards are better than like Western, all this stuff. You know the jargon I'm talking about. I don't even need to get the wording correct, because you know exactly what I'm talking about. And it's just like, to me, I don't even necessarily agree with that. I feel like, well, do whatever you want to do with your hair. But I just feel like, for me, I would say another level of this brainwashing is length. Like, why are we obsessed with length? Because length doesn't equal healthy hair. Your hair can be healthy and it can be super short. And there's this whole idea that I've been seeing a lot recently on like natural hair YouTubers, in their comments on like things that people said. They're like, oh my gosh, I can't believe this is your length retention for 3 years. And it's just like, I'm not sure if you realize how damaging things like that are. Like, it's not the YouTubers saying that, it's like people in the comments. And obviously those people in the comments, a lot of them make up the natural hair community. I don't think people understand how damaging it can be when you say things like that. Because it's like, for me, there's been, and for me, and like for a lot of other people I know, to be honest, they've been like, yeah, I think I'm gonna go back to my hair being relaxed, because they're just like, I'm so tired, I'm not seeing the length that I want to see. And it's like, it just makes people feel hopeless. It makes people feel like tired of their hair, because they're just like, I'm not seeing the results of essentially what I was promised, so I don't want to do this anymore. We've seen a shift from I love my hair because it's healthy and it's beautiful, so regardless of length, to now people are like, I only love my hair if it's a certain length and I can do like certain styles. And it's just like, it's so sad. And I think obviously it's something that needs to be dealt with, because I know some people are gonna be like, oh, that's a personal issue, like if you can't be self-confident, that's on you. And it's like, yeah, I get that. Just because what you see in the media is not you, that doesn't mean it's not beautiful. But I also think this damaging image is like very much perpetuated by the natural hair community. It's very much perpetuated by these Instagram pages, like I mentioned before. Like, you're supposedly supposed to celebrate people that look like me, but you don't. Like, and the people that you do celebrate are 4C girls with like 30 inches of hair, and it's just like, I don't look like that though. And I know obviously like it's a good thing, because it's like, even I thought in the beginning like black girls can't have long hair, so it's like nice to see people with long hair, but I feel like now it's all that we see. Yeah, so I just want to say to my natural haired, short haired girls, regardless of your texture, sis, your hair is beautiful. Your hair is your crown, so please, please, please wear it with pride. I want to say to the natural hair community, please, like, y'all, I don't want to be negative, but please stop labeling your videos 4C when you very much know your hair is not 4C, okay? And you're doing it for the views and you're doing it for the clicks, because it's very discouraging for those of us who do have 4C hair, who are trying to like learn, because it's like, what you're doing on your hair isn't gonna work for me, because your hair is not the texture that you've promoted. Another thing, please stop labeling your hair as short if it's not short. I think that is my pet peeve. Like, I go on these pages like, oh my gosh, my hair's gonna look like this. I know I can see it. I know I should probably accept that our hair's not the same length, but you said short in the title, so I'm thinking, okay, cool, this is gonna work out, you know, kind of like the same for me. And then it really just doesn't. So like, if you could just not do that, I think that would probably be great. Yeah, because your hair is like 30 inches long, and sis, my hair is clearly not 30 inches long. But yeah, that is literally my 2 cents that I wanted to add. I'm gonna hurry up and do this, and then I'll come back at the end and show you guys. So something I forgot to mention is that my parents are like quite strict African parents, and I did not inform them that I was going to be doing this to my hair. Oh no, that's what I didn't want to do. Swipe it up. So yeah, they don't know I'm doing this, and I'm very excited. Yeah, I am going to tell them that I have dyed my hair this colour permanently, so that is going to be fun. I'm going to see how they react. This is crazy. This is actually flipping crazy. I feel like I'm just now deep in what I've done. I mean, it definitely washes out, so it's not that serious, but it's just like, oh my god, my hair is purple. Okay, so I'm just gonna add the finishing touches, style it, and then come back, and I will see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, before I style it out, this is what it's looking like, afro-y, all out. I kind of love it. So I'm just gonna style it, and then I'll be back. Okay, you can see that it literally goes everywhere. Okay guys, so I tried a different style. I tried to basically do like a little mohawk kind of thing. It didn't turn out exactly how I wanted, but yeah, so my hair's purple for now. So maybe the next few videos you guys will see me purple. My hands are a mess. This stuff is so mess. It's wax, like don't get confused for like semi-permanent hair. Like it's wax, wax. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching my video. I just want to end this by saying that my hair is goals to me, regardless of length, regardless of what it looks like. Like, I choose to love my hair, and I hope that you will do the same. So for the past couple of years, I've been trying to convince my sister to cut her hair, and I finally got her to do it. So enjoy. Are you gonna say hi? Hi. Okay, cool. So Kizo's cutting her hair today. As you can see, there's a little bit of interesting texture in there. So, a little side note. I know having natural hair is not for everyone, but I think she loves it. Officially natural. Yay! So yeah, see you guys next week Sunday. Bye! Here's what's next on my channel. Why would you prefer it to go back? Yes.